Hello and welcome. Welcome to the basement. I'm going through some old records here. Let's see what I can find here. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff. For example, here's one. Season's Greetings from Perry Como. Don't be sliding. Maybe I need to get the rest of these from behind here. And then maybe it will not slide, but maybe it will. Huh, okay. Let's go back to our phone and look. Perry Como. Seasons. Greetings. How did I end up on Google? Well, I have found it here. It is from, oh, somebody has posted it here. No, let's not go there. Hang on. Oh, how did I get there? Harry, come on. Let's see. Oh, this one looks a little more pricey. Oh, well, it depends. 1484, 32, 34, 38, 28, 12. I guess it all depends. I guess it does. Let's see here. So this too looks interesting. Oh, it looks in pretty well. The sleeve is not perfect. Let's check the record. Well, it looks okay. Here's the back of it. No sliding. There we go. So I suppose if I'm going to ponder trying to find a local buyer, I should shoot a picture of the front. And maybe I'll do a closer up picture of himself. Trying to keep the shadow of my phone out of the way. Ooh, that's pretty good. With photography, it's all about finding the angle. It is. Oh, there is. Yeah, I would say the back of this is, not great. There are, actually, I guess the top is kind of split too. Oh well. We'll see what we can find. All right, let's look at Brenda Lee, who I know nothing about. Nothing. Now, did I go to eBay? I did. Brenda Lee. Vinyl. Brenda Lee, self-LP, 1960. Original press, nice condition. That's this one. I only see one of them. Shipping from the United States. There are other records, of course, but they're not this one. I wish I could also look up and see what has sold recently. Oh, there's one. 12-inch vinyl. $7.09 Canadian. After paying, probably in Canadian, $45 for shipping. Yes, that is a fine, fine deal, that is. Well, let's see here. Brenda Lee, Dynamite. Weep no more, my baby. Jambalaya. If I'm dreaming, just let me dream. Be my love. My baby likes Western guys. On side 2, Sweet Nothings, I'm sorry. That's all you gotta do. Heading home, wee wee willies. Let's jump the broomstick. Interesting. Well, I believe I've heard that I'm sorry song, but I'm not sure. Anyway, as you can see, I have many, 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 many more things. I think what I will do at this moment is see about shooting a picture with the square setting. This is really not a very complimentary picture here. It really isn't. She looks quite contorted. But I guess she's in the midst of singing. Oh, I don't want to do that. If I shoot way down low, no. That is probably enough. All right. I will continue to go through more records. Thanks for coming to the basement. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. I hope. Bye for now.